Hi. Today we're going to make the Clarified Jungle Bird. And this is Tiki Bar Sam here at Sam's Tiki Bar. Why are we making a Clarified Jungle Bird? Well, a Jungle Bird is a classic tropical tiki bar drink that you put into milk, you let it sit for 3 hours, and then it's clarified. Why am I making this? Not to be fancy, but I can't drink juice. If I drink juices, I get bloated. So I was thinking, well, maybe if I make a Clarified Jungle Bird, I won't get the bloatiness. We'll see. I'll probably still get the bloatiness feeling. I'm getting nervous thinking about it already. Anyway, so how do we make a Clarified Jungle Bird? First, you gotta make the juice. So then what we're gonna do, where the juice component or the acid component, and then you pour it into the milk. I'm gonna show you everything. So first off, we need 6 ounces of dark rum. So I have my Gosling's dark rum here, and in my measuring cup, it shows me how many ounces I need to do this. So I'm gonna pour in 6 ounces of dark rum. That smells delicious. And I'm using this. So then what we need is 6 ounces of pineapple juice. I got this today at Wegmans. It's Goya brand. I never tried it before. But the canned stuff, I'm not into the canned stuff. And it's just never that great. So anyway, we'll see what happens. Let's just pour in another 6 ounces of pineapple juice. So this goes up to the 12 mark. Boom, done. Then we need 3 ounces of Campari. So I have my Campari right here. This is Campari. We're gonna put this into this measuring cup. But I need 3 ounces. So I'm gonna measure out 2 ounces in this thing. The jigger. That's 2 ounces. And then we're going to measure 1 ounce of another bit of Campari. There. Done. What we also need is lime juice. Now, believe it or not, I got fresh squeezed lime juice today. I know I went to Wegmans. When I went to Wegmans, you know what they had? This is it. It was already fresh squeezed. I bought, okay. So then I bought it. And you need 2 ounces. So let's put that into this cup right here. Dump it. All right. Then we need 2 ounces of simple syrup. This one I'm going to eyeball. Because simple syrup's sticky and gross, and it gets into this, and then I don't get all of it out. It's a whole thing. So anyway, so I can see, if I just go up to the 18 here, and I made this simple syrup. We'll see if it's okay. I tasted it before. It wasn't bad. So now what we're going to do is we're going to mix this with a spoon. So that's what I'm doing. And I've never made this before. I have no idea what I'm doing. And currently, this is a cloudy mixture. But what's going to happen is we're going to put it in the milk. We let it sit for 3 hours. So I'm going to pause the video and then come back. And then we'll strain it through cheesecloth. That's what everybody says. But then they said once you do this, it's going to curdle the milk right away. So let's see what happens. So here's the milk I have in this measuring cup. And I'm going to pour this right into the milk. There we are. And they're not lying. That is curdling almost instantly. I don't know if you can see this, but look at that. So now we have to wait 3 hours. Then I strain it off and then we try it. Okay, so I'll be right back. Let me pause this video. What movie are we gonna watch tonight? I don't know what to watch. I don't think about it yet. Oh, I know. Tron Ares. It's on Disney Plus. That has to be good. I mean, well, it's not has to be good, but you understand. Tron Ares, the guy that was a famous dude in it, I forget his name. But anyway, it doesn't matter. So, Tron Ares tonight. Wow, look at this. This is getting more curdled as we speak. This is crazy. Okay, well, anyway, I'll be right back in about 3 hours. Okay, bye. It took one whole day. One whole day. Supposedly when you put milk in here, or you put this in milk, you know what happens? It curdles. It did that. Then you wait 2 hours. I waited 3 hours, okay? Then you filter it through cheesecloth. I did that 4 times. And you know what happened? Each time it's cloudy. So this morning, okay, I take a coffee filter, I put it in the thingy, the funnel thingy, put it on this thing, okay, and I let it filter through that. And this is what I got. This. It still looks kind of cloudy to me. I can't do it. Clarified whatever. We'll see how it tastes. Let's see what it looks like when I put it in this glass. Look, this is from yesterday. I had to put it in the freezer. It did. Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to put it in here. Let's see what happens.
Painkillers and zombie nights. Every cocktail's got a string of tiki lights. He's live every Friday, mixing with flair.
It does look pretty cool.
Like he just don't care. Pineapple punch or an
This is what it looks like.
drink so wild they earn
Kind of clarified.
Ish. Even grandma said that bourbon smooth.
But I thought it was going to be more clear. All right, here we go. Let's taste it.
From coconut creams to a citrus kick, he'll teach you to shake it and stir it thick. Yeah, TikTok's alive with his cocktail star. The legend in the basement, that's Sam's Tiki Bar.
Okay, hold on. This is delicious. This is unbelievable. This might be worth it. This is what I thought it wasn't going to be worth it. I was going to say, no, this isn't going to be worth it. Nothing. But this is, it's 8 o'clock this morning, I think. I'm having a drink at 8. Why not? Make this the Clarified Jungle Bird. I wanted to use his fake voice. I did. The Clarified Jungle Bird. It's magic. Highly recommend it. You guys have a great weekend and a great day. This is Tiki Bar Sam saying have a wonderful day. Okay, goodbye.